Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deepak Kumar and today I am going to explain one of the most important topic in software testing using Postman. We will back working on Netflix API mock project where I will show one step by step how I perform testing, wrote test script, validate response and event generated bug report and real-time validation examples. Let's get started. First of all, we will explain what is API testing. API testing is the process of verifying that API work as expected. It mainly focuses on checking the functionality, reliability, security, and performance of API. It is very important because in real world application, API are the bridge between bridge between the front end and back end. And second point, why Postman is used in API testing. Postman mainly it is a very powerful tool that helps developer and tester interact with API easily. And uh, I'm talking about the Postman feature we used, like sending request, writing test script, validation of responses, automated testing, bug reporting. In sending request, we will understand get, post, put, delete, and patch. Put and patch both are same, but we'll we'll talk about what is JSON and how it is related to an API. JSON is a JavaScript object notation and uh, it is a combination of multiple object in an array. And now I am talking about what tools are required for this assignment. Say it slowly and proudly. Tool we are using Postman for API testing and well, only one tool is used in this API testing. And second point is dataset overview. What does the Netflix like JSON dataset look like? We have a mock JSON API representing Netflix, so it contains different so like Stranger Things, Money Heist, and Dark etc. Each show has field like ID, title, genre, release year, rating, duration, language, cast, and available in the region. And I am talking about Postman setup. Now I'm going to Postman setup. So if you are beginner, then you come in a Postman and click on the plus icon and create a new collection. I have collection, so I can't choose any blank collection. This get processed. Okay, not working. So yes, working. So if you are a beginner, then you click on a blank, click on a plus icon and choose the blank collection. I choose and you can write here you can write here something like any name or add a request like a request like get post patch etc. So I delete this item. I delete the item. Yeah, come on my ppt. Yes, I'm talking about the CRUD operation. CRUD operation. Now explain CRUD operation clearly in API testing. CRUD stands for C stands for create, R stands for read, U stands for update, and D stands for delete. The post, uh, I am talking about the post method. It is used to create new Netflix shows and talking about get method. It is used to fetch the Netflix data And talking about put, it is used for update existing show details. uh, and I'm talking about delete, it is used to delete a show entry. We practice all these operation on our Netflix mock API using Postman. So Postman script. Now I am coming on Postman tool, and first of all, we have created an JSON file. I have created a JSON file named as Netflix.json. I have already created a JSON file, ID, title, genre, release, rating, duration, language, cast, uh, Netflix ID, title, genre. So I am going to the the Netflix file and post with the help of terminal command prompt. So I will clear this ls control z control ls clear. So I am using a command npx json server. The file name, our file name is netflix dot json, and the endpoint url is this, and copy this url and paste on localhost and run it. So this is my output when we run this JSON file. Okay, so I'm I'm going towards Postman tool and the run, the get command run, send it. If you are beginner, so you can copy this endpoint URL, this URL, and paste it here, paste it. So paste it and save it, and then send it. So 200, that means okay, request successfully, and uh, the server has responded as required. So the get request is finished, and I'm going towards the post request, that means I'm going towards the post request, that means create a new data, create a new file, create a new class, create a new any data in our file. So I am going towards the put operations, and we have changed, like I want to change it, so 8.7 rating and 8.7, and duration is like 95, and language is Spanish. So I saved it and send it. Yeah, it is working fine. So I'm checking this 201, it is created, and I am going to put method, put like update of update anything in my Netflix JSON file. So I want to update, like I want to update rating 4.3, and I want to update the year 2020 9056, now 9056, and language. So language, I want to change the first character of the language, so like capital E, and the duration like 70 hour, 70 no hour 70. Okay, so Okay, okay. If you want to update anything, so you can write the ID. Without ID, not possible to update any JSON file. So I want to update ID number 2. So I want so this will updated. So I want to update and save it, beautify and send. Yes, it is updated. This is updated because when we write the year 1956, 1956 and 4.370, so it is updated, and you saw first character of the language is capital E and this capital E, so it is updated. And next is deleted. So I want to delete. I want to delete. So delete. If you want to delete, then you can uh, use id of the json file or id of the json, like I want to delete id number 2 and save it again and send it. Yes, it is deleted. This is deleted successfully. Okay, it is deleted successfully. Then I want to go to next. Next. Okay, the next topic is API testing script explanation. Okay, so I'm going towards, you can go there, a script part and post response. In my assignment, okay, 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 okay. Hmm. In my assignment, the validation criteria for API testing, uh, the first point, a status code validation ensure API returns 200 OK for successfully request. I am going to other tool and write the code. This this comment line, read this comment line, status code for validation. uh, Go there, script part, and yes, this, and okay, first option, yes, this option, this script check that after sending a request, the server must respond with the status code 200, which means success. Okay, which means success, this point. And the another is response time validation. Okay, the response time validation, uh, it means here we are validating the server should respond within 500 millisecond. Faster API means better performance. Okay, second point is clear now. So I am going towards third points. Data types are correct. In my assignment, where is my assignment? Assignment is here. Now, second, third is data type validation. Verify the question. Verify that field match expected data types. Release year is an integer. Okay, going towards this. Okay, yeah. This ensure that, oh yes, this ensure that, yeah, let it is a variable, it is a data type. Okay, in a javascript you have read about let where it is a data type and it is a variable. It is a array dot is array json data, condition marks. So uh, in this in this script, this ensure that is feel like yes. Yeah, like rating release year has the correct data type. Example, rating must be number of title must be a string. Title must be a string. Okay, so this is a condition and we have check the condition. So all our condition we have check. Okay, then I am going to the Fourth question, mandatory field validation. So mandatory field validation, it check here we check the important field like title and gender must always be present. If they are missing, it is considered a bug. Okay, got it. So I'm going towards unique ID validation. ID must be unique. Okay, then um, it is explaining. I am explaining about this. Every so must have a unique ID. uh, Unique ID, it duplicate ID are found. uh, it can create use problem while fetching data. Okay, so I am going towards rating should be between 0 to 10. So uh, I am explaining about this script rating must be realistic. They should always be between 0 to 10. Okay, and question number 7. Question number 7, is it right or wrong? Yeah, question number 7, array data validation. Validate the cast and available in the region content at least one entry. So I am going to ask this and explain this. It so must have at least one actor and must be available in at least one region. Okay, so define that. The question number 8, pattern validation. Is it right or wrong? We have checked this. Check pattern validation ensure language follow a valid naming format like English, Spanish, etc. Okay, so I'm going toward this. Check. Uh, this language names should be priority capitalized. For example, English is a correct, but English is wrong. So the string like those string which is started from S capital E, which is capital E, and those string which is started from a small e. So capital E is a correct because we want to change a small to capital like capitalization. Okay, the first character should be capitalization, capitalize and the ninth number. So ninth number, my ninth number question, content availability validation. Check if available in the region content contains valid country code. So I'm going towards this and explaining this. Nine. Okay. I also tested the API by giving wrong IDs or incorrect URLs to check if the server returns proper error code 404. Okay, 10 done. Okay, so all are done. Run it. So this is my test case. I run it. So all test case are passed. All test case are passed. Test summary. Okay, test summary. Our test status code is 200. Response time is less than 500 millisecond. Data type are correct. Mandatory. Oh, sorry. Mandatory field should not be empty. Unique ID validation. ID must be unique. Pass. Rating should be between 0 to 10. Caste and region should at least one entry. Language should be properly capitalized. Verify region codes in available in region array. Invalid ID should return 404. And lastly, we have added a conclusion and the video conclusion. So in this video, we saw how to perform full API testing using Postman. We covered operation validation test, bug reporting, and test case writing. This kind of practical testing is a very important when you work as a quality analyst, software tester, or API developer. If you like this video, make sure to like. Okay, thank you.